Hello everyone and welcome on this new deal of the day video from Xtreme Trader. This is Stella speaking. So before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly of course share the video. So today's deal of the day for Monday is going to be actually on the pound CHF. I know that you guys are used to get pound JPY signals, but to be honest, my signals on the pound JPY recently not working well. Also, there is not I cannot find any clear setup right now on the pound JPY. So therefore, we are having here a very good setup on the pound CHF, and please allow me to share it with you. So right here, first of all, we can see that based on the weekly chart, the pound CHF has reversed exactly from the strongest key support level at 1.09910. The market has actually, for the last month, created here a fake breakout from that level, and the market actually has failed to create a new resistance right here, and instead it just broke out from the resistance with that strong bullish engulfing candle. Then at the retest of the level, the market indeed respected the same level of the support. Not only that, this price action in the middle, this inverted hammer, this is, guys, actually a very good price action for buying the market. Once you see this candle appeared on a support level, and especially on the weekly chart or daily or even 4-hour time frames, all of them actually are trusted. If you see this inverted hammer appeared, that's a good sign that you can start buying on that level. And as you can see, the week after was a strong bullish one, and now entirely those three candles entirely actually representing, of course, a good price action for the buy. Therefore, let's consider buying the pound CHF for the upcoming week. Now, moving to the daily chart. So right here on the daily chart, what we're having here is also a broken level of a resistance at 1.10870. So that means that the market has indeed managed to break out from that level of a resistance. Not only that, we are having here also a strong level of a resistance trend line, and as you can see, the last daily candle of Friday has actually been able to close above that level of a resistance and a resistance trend line as well. All of the signs says that the pound CHF will continue the rise. Now it's a matter, of course, to find the best entry point. So let's now move to the 4-hour time frame. Now, based on the 4-hour time frame, we're having here, of course, a triangle, as you can see, just like that. Let me just confirm it. Exactly just like this. Fantastic. Let's just highlight the real level of a resistance. Exactly. So right now, we're having here a broken level of that channel or a triangle, and as you can see, that was, of course, the breakout from that level. Now, the normal behavior of the market, once it makes actually the bullish breakout from that level, it will reach the highest level of a nearest resistance, and then it will begin the pullback to retest the broken level of a resistance trend line, and then from that point we can buy the market once it confirmed to create a new support trend line. Therefore, let's wait for the market to fall until it retests the broken level of a resistance trend line. Wait for the price action, of course, to confirm our entry, and then place your buy order once you find the price action has been confirmed. Now, let's look at the left side to find a strong level of a support to actually rely on this setup. As you can see right there, exactly, right there, to be honest, exactly, yes, perfect. That level, my friends, has indeed been a very strong level of a key support. And most likely, if the market will continue falling to retest the broken level of a resistance trend line, it will also has to face that level of a support. And most likely, we have to wait for this pair to fall to another 25 pips, and then we can proceed to long this pair. Of course, once we do that, our target will be, of course, right here, the nearest level of a key resistance at 1.11694. Expecting not less than 80 pips of profit. And the safe zone, or actually the stop loss, will be actually half of that for about 40 pips only. And yes, that's fine. 44 pips is going to be for the stop loss, aiming on the other hand 80 pips of profit. Let me now write the signal for you. And there goes your deal, my friends, on the pound CHF for tomorrow, Monday. Hopefully it will be a good one, and hopefully we will all make good profits with it. Of course, don't forget also to join our free group of Telegram to receive up to 1 signal every day. And hopefully I will send also an update or notification about this signal If I notice any price action going against our direction, I will update you on this group right here to close this signal in loss before it reach the stop loss, or maybe I will tell you to close it in a good profit before it reach the take profit level. Also, don't forget that we're having now the Black Friday offer running on the VIP group, 30% discount on all of our packages, and this valid is running until 28th of November. So I want to say something else, guys. Those who will join the VIP group this week, kindly, guys, don't ever judge the signals immediately from the first day. We have received a lot of complaints sometimes when we are having winning streaks. I mean, we can have like a whole week of profits, and then on one day we will mess up on Monday, for example, and then the newcomers will complain. Guys, Forex doesn't work like this, guys, unfortunately. There is not a single signal provider in this world who can provide you with a consistent profits every single day. That doesn't happen and doesn't exist, unfortunately. Sometimes the market will move on its way, and a lot of our signals which we are sending sometimes failing because of the news, and that is something out of our hand. We are sending the signals based on fundamentals and technical as well, but sometimes there will be some unexpected events that can change the direction of the candle. Also, we are sending warnings. Let me show it to you. We are sending a lot of notifications on our VIP group to warn our members about the news, and we cannot do more than that. Let me show you, for example. Let me just scroll more up and show it to you. For example, this one right here, attention, high impact news. Today we're having the core PPI news, and this actually might change the direction of the signals, and as a result we can see that many of the signals hit the stop loss. Not our fault, guys, it's because of the news. But again, I don't want to always blame the news. We have to consider the news as well. We cannot always blame them, but they are big part of the losses sometimes. So again, kindly don't judge the signals immediately. Give it some time to experience the normal signals, and hopefully it will be a good experience for everyone. So until then, guys, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.